Good morning, everyone. I hope now everyone is settled. So yesterday
Good
we had
morning, ma'am.
discussed. Good morning, bache. Need not to disturb again and again. This is what I want to tell you. Yesterday we had discussed one thing that is just wait. So yesterday we had done the discussion between Aman and Rajan. Like Rajan has gone to one hospital which was being facilitated with the 5-star treatment, that everything was in clean and clear manner. Everyone was creating good gestures to the Rajan, but on other side, Aman, because of not wellness, he was economically not sound, so he went to the government hospital where he was not being treated in a proper way, and the conversation between them was there, which we had discussed, like the cost of a cure. Under this title we have done, और उसमें हमने देखा था कि how Rajan was getting good treatment, and because of his well-to-do families, but Aman was went to the government hospital where he has to stand in a long queue, and he was not able to stand because of his fever. So he was laying on his father's lap most of the time, and after getting the OPD, he just again stand in another queue for getting the blood test, and later after 3 days when the report comes, then he was being examined by the another doctor, and he has said that he was having just only a common viral fever, and with the medical treatment or medicine he can be treated well. So this was the experience of a well family or a poor family, and the experience of public hospital and experience of private hospital. So we come to know that the services which are being insured to us by the government are not provided, as we had also discussed yesterday. Sheikh Hakim का केस देखा था, उसमें भी he was not treating well. He was shifted from one hospital to another hospital in 8 hospital, and later on he was being treated in the private hospital. So this was the actually experience which we are facing in the private or public hospitals. So page turn कीजिए अपना, page number 24. Just check it out. Public and private healthcare services. So today we have to do it public and private healthcare services. Fine. So हमारे पास public services are those services which are being given by the government. So these services are given by the government sector. Fine. And these services are given by the private doctors. Private sector we can say, or individual doctors. ठीक है, सो यहीं पर मैं आपको करवाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ हाउ यू हैव टू गो विद इट. Like public services are the services which are being given by the government to do welfare of all sections of society. ठीक है, charges very nominal, rates. ठीक है, medicines are being given at free of cost. Poor people can afford. Point out. Is it clear to all of you? Please give thumbs up if it is clear. Public services are the services, healthcare services are the services which are being given by the government sector to do welfare of all the section of society. Number 2, charges very nominal rate, बहुत कम charges लगते हैं. अगर आप कभी सिविल हॉस्पिटल पे गए हो तो वहां पर्ची जो स्लिप चार्जेस होते हैं that is only 10 rupees. 10 to 15 रुपी बस वही लगता है. अदरवाइज ऑल द मेडिसिन्स ऑल द थिंग्स आर वेरी मतलब वेरी नॉमिनल और बहुत या फ्री भी दी जाती है या फ्री भी दिया जाता है. ऑल द मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट इज एट वेरी नॉमिनल चार्जेस. जो भी चार्जेस है टेस्ट वगैरह पे लगते हैं नॉमिनल होते हैं. देन इज पुअर पीपल कैन अफोर्ड इट. It can be only run for the poor section of society, or we can say rich people can also go that side, but because of time taking process rich people do prefer to go in the private hospitals. On other side, private healthcare services. Private healthcare services are the services which are being provided by the individual doctors. They are run for a profit, run for, is it visible? Let me. They are run for earning profits. Rich section of society can afford. Rich section of society can afford. Available in urban areas, preferably available in urban areas. ये कहाँ पर होते हैं? Urban areas में. ठीक है? Available in urban areas. Is it okay? So have you written this? So these are very simple points which I have given you out of the book, so that the basic concept should be clear among you people that what the public healthcare services are and what the private healthcare services are. These are very simple points. With the simple reading method you can revise, and if you need to write you can write, but further book point jo hai that will be different. That I will explain you right now. So from the above story, we have come to know that there are two types of healthcare facilities. One is public healthcare facility. Second is private healthcare facility. First of all, we will discuss about the public healthcare services. So public healthcare services is the chain of health services and hospitals run by government. They are linked together and cover both rural and urban area. यहाँ पर हमें क्या पॉइंट लिखना है? Public healthcare services are provided, are available in both urban and rural area. 1.4 you can write over here. These services are available both in urban and rural area. Point is clear? ठीक है? Please jot down. So next point आता है, that is they are linked together in both rural and urban area and also provide treatment of all the problems. They provide treatment to all the problems from common illness to the specific services. मतलब common illness fever वगैरह से लेकर specific services like heart surgery हो गई या kidney problem हो गई या कोई भी problem हो, they are providing these. They are trained in dealing with the common illness and under the supervision of the specialist doctor and प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर अंडर द रूरल एरिया. अब यहाँ पर थर्ड पॉइंट जो मैंने यहाँ कॉमनली, यहाँ पर मैंने सिर्फ आपको पहले डिफरेंस बताया कॉमनली. नाउ द स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स आर बीइंग कमिंग. नंबर 1, they are available in both rural and urban area. Number 2, they are being facilitated with the trained doctors. Write down, they are being facilitated with the trained doctors and providing all kind of medical facilities. And provide all kind of medical facilities. In the rural area, there are availability of PHC. Now, do you know what is PHC? PHC means, अब यहाँ पर one mark का question जो है वो भी आता है. What are PHC? That is primary health care centers. Primary health centers, PHC and CHC. Now, these are one mark points. PHC means primary health center and CHC means community health centers. Is it okay? These are for one mark question. What are PHC and CHC? Is it okay to everyone? Public health services are the services which ensure to provide health services to both rich people and poor people. They are available in all the area. Their main motive is to do welfare of all section of society. They are available in rural area and urban area. They are being facilitated by the well qualified and experienced doctors and its teams, and their main motive is to reduce the cost of medical treatment and provide services to all section of society. So in the rural area, the trained and qualified staffs is available under the PHC and CHC. So PHC is primary health center and CHC is community health centers. So these are community health centers are being available in the large city. उनके अलग-अलग areas में, town के अलग-अलग areas में available होते हैं, और primary health centers जो है वो rural areas में available होते हैं. Fine. Is it okay? So next आ जाता है, large cities have many government hospitals. हमारी large cities में, like in Phagwara we have civil hospital Phagwara. In Jalandhar we have civil hospital in Jalandhar. In Ludhiana we have civil hospital in Ludhiana. So basically in the cities we have hospitals and in the rural area we have primary health centers. और जो एक थोड़ा सा बड़ा इलाका होता है, टाउन से छोटा होता है, विलेज से बड़ा होता है, वहां पर कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर्स जो है वो होते हैं CHC. सो हेल्थ सर्विसेज आर कॉल्ड एज पब्लिक in many reasons because they are providing to welfare to all the citizens. Government established these hospitals and health centers because to provide basic services, healthcare services to all the section of society, and facilities are for everyone. These facilities are ensured to give medical treatment to everyone, not only to the rich section, not only to the poor section, but for every section of society, so that even poor can seek the treatment. Poor can also get the better or qualified trained doctors treatment. Another important function of public health care services is also to prevent, bachana, and take the action if in any case in that area spread of different diseases are being there. अगर उस एरिया में कोई स्प्रेड डिजीज का स्प्रेड हो जाए तो वहां पर जैसे डिजीजेस लाइक, अब अंडरलाइन कर लेना लास्ट लाइन फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 24, दैट इज टीबी. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है स्प्रेड उस एरिया में, तो उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करवाना किसकी जिम्मेवारी है? पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स की. ठीक है. सो उनका मेन कौन कौन सी बीमारी हो सकती है? दैट इज टीबी, मलेरिया, जॉन्डिस, कॉलरिया, डायरिया, चिकनगुनिया. Underline these problems. So if any kind of problem arises of these types, then public health care centers are providing and ensuring the treatment to all the sections. Is it okay to everyone? Like sometimes it happens. So otherwise they try to do all those things in a proper way. So next concept जो आ जाता है, that is on page number 25. You have to underline third point, according to our constitution. You got this line? 25 page number, third paragraph, 3 lines are there. According to the constitution, it is the primary duty of the government. Now the question is, what is the basic duty of the government? To provide health services. Number 1, to ensure the welfare of the people. To ensure welfare of the people, which I had already given you point. What is the main function of primary public health care centers, or according to our constitution, primary duty of a government? What, according to the constitution, what is the primary duty of the government? That is, number 1, to ensure the welfare of the people, and number 2, to provide health care facilities to all. What is the primary duty of the government? Number 1, to ensure the welfare of the people. Number 2, to provide health care facilities to all. Is it okay? Point हो गए, questions हो गया. Next आ जाता है, the government must safeguard the right of life to every person. Do you know right to life? What is right to life? Right to life है आर्टिकल 21. यहाँ पर फोर्थ पैराग्राफ में जहां पर right to life लिखा है, अंडरलाइन करके वहां पर लिख लो साथ में आर्टिकल 21. Right to life, article 21. So, right to life. जैसे मैंने आर्टिकल 17 करवाया था अनटचेबिलिटी का, राइट टू लाइफ में कौन सा आर्टिकल है? दैट इज 21. ठीक है, इट इंश्योर दैट एवरी पर्सन इज हैविंग राइट टू लिव. लाइक हाकिम को चोट लगी थी, शेख को चोट लगी थी, तो उसके पास है राइट टू लिव अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्टिकल 21, एंड ही कैन गो टू कोर्ट इफ ही वाज नॉट बीइंग ट्रीटेड वेल. दैट इज व्हाई ही वेंट टू कोर्ट एंड गिव पिटीशन. और उसके पिटीशन के कारण क्या हुआ? कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया गवर्नमेंट को that government hospitals doctor has not taking him well on time and he was being harassed for 14 hours and then get the treatment in the private hospital. So whatever the expense is being paid by Hakim Sheikh in the private hospital for his treatment, that expense has to be paid by the government. Is it okay, Arshdeep, now? So, according to this right, Hakim Sheikh went to court and filed the petition, filed his complaint against the government hospitals, and according to the decision, because everything is under the law, no one is above the law. ये हम कर चुके हैं. So, because he was not treated well according to Article 21, he filed his petition, and government, the law, judicial system of India ensure that the government has to pay, the government hospital has to pay the compensation to him, whatever the cost he has paid for getting his medical treatment. Is it okay? Is it okay to everyone? So next आ जाती है private healthcare services. There are a wide variety of private healthcare services that exist in India. Number of hospitals are there. अगर मैं तुम्हें एक basic fact और बताऊं तो एशिया में maximum hospitals जो है वो कहाँ पर है? Can anyone knows? Can anyone knows? कहाँ पर है?
India.
Maximum hospitals in Asia.
India.
India.
China or India
are in Jalandhar. I am telling you, there are 180 hospitals are there from bus stand of Jalandhar toward Kapurthala चौक, और जो वहां पर जो मेन चौक आता है HMB कॉलेज के पास वाला, वहां तक का अगर हम लोग काउंट करें तो देयर आर 180 हॉस्पिटल्स एंड इट इज द मैक्सिमम। है कितना वो, नियर अबाउट 7 to 8 किलोमीटर तक की वो है लेन जिसमें 180 हॉस्पिटल्स हैं। और एशिया का, दिस इज जीके क्वेश्चन, एशिया का मैक्सिमम हॉस्पिटल्स जो है वो जालंधर के अंदर है। That is on one road from bus stand toward Kapurthala road side. Kapurthala की रोड जो जाती है वहां चौक तक, वहां तक 180 हॉस्पिटल, जोशी हॉस्पिटल सुना होगा आप लोगों ने। कपूरथला बस स्टैंड का बाट हॉस्पिटल से लेकर आपका कपूरथला चौक जोशी हॉस्पिटल तक के सारे हॉस्पिटल्स जो हैं, देयर आर 180 हॉस्पिटल्स। सो ये क्या है, ये एक फैक्ट है which I am telling you, private health facilities. So there are wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. Large number of doctors run their own private clinics. In the rural area, there are only RMPs. Now, what is the full form of RMPs? RMPs, registered medical practitioner. This is one mark question. Registered medical practitioners, they are running their clinic in the rural area, RMPs, and urban areas have large number of doctors. Many of them are providing specialist services. Their hospitals, nursing homes, and they all are privately owned. ये सिर्फ privately owned होते हैं, and there are many laboratories for doing the test, like special offers facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound. All these are or the medical shops are located adjacent to the private hospitals to earn the profit and to provide or ensure the medical treatments to all the people who can afford to pay at high cost. So, as the name suggests, private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. They are not owned and controlled by the government. They are owned and controlled by the private entrepreneur, private doctors to earn the profits. But they are providing the facilities also. Is it okay? So today's presence, private facilities can be all around. The fact that there are large number of private hospitals are running and engaged manufacturing and selling medicines. अब आज की डेट में प्राइवेट जो है वो बहुत सारी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज जो है वो देते भी हैं, और साथ के साथ वो क्या करते हैं, मेडिकल जो है मेडिसिन जो है वो बनाते भी हैं. दे आर एंगेज्ड इन दीज सेक्टर्स आल्सो. सो मेडिकल शॉप्स आर फाउंड एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ आवर कंट्री. मेडिकल शॉप्स जो है दे आर, जिसको हम लोग कह देते हैं केमिस्ट शॉप, दे आर बीइंग अवेलेबल इन एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इवन इन रूरल एरिया और इन अर्बन एरिया. Is it clear up to this? Any doubt, please ask. So today we have discussed private and public healthcare services, and on Tuesday we will be having our class. Then I will help you to understand healthcare and equality and healthcare available to all. So this and what can be done with what the precautionary measures we have to take, and Costa Rican approach and Kerala experience, that I will discuss with you on Tuesday, and after that I will send you all the assignments to complete your lecture. If you have any doubt, please ask.